Pakistan's northern region is the majestic land blessed with stellar mountains and bubbling rivers, lush fields, and sun-splashed valleys that have hosted tribes and travelers since ancient Silk Route times. A glimpse of the best of Central Asia soothes the eye anywhere you look. The mighty Karakoram Highway winds along these mountains and passes, connecting mainland Pakistan to China. Crystal sparkling waters sing along as you make your way up and up. You pass by quaint villages and so much serenity and resilient raw beauty. A reflection of the brave, worn people of this land who are simultaneously gentle and strong. Their culture carries the ancient spirit of fearlessness and war, depicted till today in a game that Mongols of Central Asia and Persians began centuries ago, a game of freestyle polo. The friendly horseback war game Genghis Khan's princes and generals played in times of peace to keep their horses charged. Over the years, every summer, the kingdom of Gilgit and the kingdom of Chitral would walk their horses from Pandar and Mastuj to meet at a center point, Shandur Polo, where by the lake they camped to discuss politics and play this friendly, war-like tournament of freestyle polo. Each of the star horses is acclimatized and lovingly groomed, readied for battle. Star players, some new, some veterans. Their hearts thumping, their eyes shining with dreams of victory. Stand tall, full of hope. D-Day arrives for the game of kings and the king of games. Warriors get ready to face the roaring crowd. One player to one horse, they play as one for a 1 hour long match with only one break and only one rule. There is no rule. Traditional sword dances, cultural kalasha dances, folk music, and a spectacular show of SSG Commando paratroopers landing in the field. Shandur, the highest polo ground of the world, at a staggering height of 12,264 feet, became the Olympic Games or World Cup venue of this sport. The sport that remains close to the hearts of locals, nearly like religion. To celebrate the game, the players, the horses, die-hard locals from both sides flock here every year in July, and a tent village of merriment sprouts for 3 days in this empty wilderness, well known as Shandur Polo Festival. 6 players on each team, 2 attack, 2 play midfield, 2 defend. After every goal, the goal is swapped. Goalies gallop across the field. After every goal, striker can hold the ball and gallop halfway across, fling the ball, hit it in midair, and aim another goal. Playing polo is like trying to play golf in an earthquake. Playing at the top of the world, high altitude, low oxygen, wild speed. Many have sustained heavy injuries. Many have died. And many have won Shandur's coveted trophies. even the national prestige of Sitara Imtiaz. Begins the final event. Tunes of folk music change with the pace of the game. Horses pick pace with the beat. As the dust settles, the screaming crowd races onto the field to celebrate their winners, proving year after year that sports is the only battlefield that unites people.